So
we know we
today
did it.
today we are going to do Vedic addition. So
Vedic edition.
before going to do Vedic addition, we need to know what is an end number method is, and already you know that, right?
Yeah, we learned it from
Yesterday's topic.
n number method.
And before going to learn Vedic addition, we need to know two terms. Number one, carry combination,
Mm-hmm.
and number two, which is represented as C, and number two is non-carry combination.
What does that mean?
Note down, I will tell you.
Okay. Are
Carry
those like the
combination.
rules?
No, it is. They are not like rules, but we have to know what it is meant before doing Vedic addition.
Oh, wait a sec. C is non-carry combination. Okay.
Sir, is the carry edition and non-carry edition is about the Vedic edition? I mean combination.
Yeah, this is about Vedic addition only. Have you noted?
Yes.
Very good.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Ready, fine. So let me tell you what is the carry combination C. So here, for example, if you add any two digits, if you get carry in the answer, that is nothing but if it is equal to 10 or greater than 10, then this pair is called as carry combination.
Okay.
Understood? If you get only
Understood.
single digit as an answer, it is called non-carry combination. The name it is itself it is telling that carry and non-carry. If you get carry,
Okay.
it will call it as carry combination after adding. If you get single digit, it is called non-carry combination.
Okay.
Understood?
Understood.
Let me tell you one problem. You see, here all are carry combinations. So first pair we need not to mention anything. From the next pair, we have to mention it is a C or NC. Both are C, right? 2 plus 8 it is 10, 9 plus 7 it is
Mm-hmm.
16. Understood?
6. Yes.
So first, only after adding first pair, we have to write the complete answer, total answer. From the second pair, we need to write only end number in the rule number 1. Okay, we have to write only end number in the answer from the second pair. Understood?
Oh, okay.
And rule number
Okay.
2 is before writing the answer, you have to check whether the next pair is a carry combination or non-carry combination.
Okay.
If it is a carry combination, we need to increase the plus 1 to the answer. If it is a non-carry combination, the next pair is a non-carry combination, we need to write the answer as it is. Understood?
Understood. Wait,
So
could you
before,
explain the rule
yeah,
number
I
two
will
again?
explain it. I will explain
Yeah.
it. While
Sir,
doing, I will explain
I
it.
didn't understand it. I didn't understand it.
I will tell you. I will tell you. Before writing the answer, we have to check whether the next pair is a carry combination or non-carry combination. If it is a carry combination, we need to increase 1 to the answer. If it is a non-carry combination, the next pair is we need to write. I write the answer as it is. Understood? Let me show you through problem so that you can understand easily. 7 plus 3, it is 10 actually. But we have to write
11.
11 because the next pair is a carry combination.
Mm-hmm.
From here, we need to write only end numbers. 2 plus 8, how much? What is the end number?
0.
0.
I have to write 0 or 1?
0.
No, we have to add plus 1 to the answer.
Oh,
For the end
yeah,
number, you
okay.
have to add 1. So it become 1 again. And 9 plus 7, it is 6. So because there is no next pair to check. That's why I have written any number
Oh,
directly.
okay.
1116
Now
is
I
the answer.
understood.
Everyone understood?
Yeah.
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 8729 plus 400 and 237. You see, except first pair, you have to write for your understanding only. You just drew by mentioning C and NC on the top of the each and every pair for 5 to 10 problems. After that, it is not necessary because by seeing the pair itself, you can identify it is a carry or non-carry. So here it is non-carry. It is also non-carry. It is only carry. So 8 plus 4.
2.
So no, first for first pair you have to write entire
Oh,
answer.
12. 12.
12.
12.
So I am writing 12 as it is because the next pair is a non-carry. 7 plus 2 it is
Non-carry.
9. Next pair is also
9.
non-carry 9. So 5
Non-carry.
it is 6.
5.
Next pair is a
6.
carry combination so that I have written 6 instead of 5. And 9 plus 7 it is 6. This is
6.
the answer.
Okay.
Understood?
Understood.
You see I will do one problem to show you the difference between normal addition and Vedic addition. Okay?
8 plus 4 is
Plus
12. 1 plus
3894
4, 9.
2896. You see, first 10 but 11, and from here end numbers only 0 but write 1, 5 write 6, 1 write 2, 0 write 1, 3 write 4, 5 write 6, and last number there is nothing to check, so write
5.
5.
direct. This is the answer. Everything is a carry pair, just I have taken for your understanding. Understood?
Understood.
I will do with another problem for your clarity. You see, it is a combination of it is a non-carry, it is a carry, non-carry, non-carry, and it is a carry. 12. So write 12 as it is. 5, 6, 0, 0 only. 8, 8 only. 7, 8. Because the next pair is a carry. And 4. How fast it is, do you understood?
Yeah, is there another way like understanding a non-carry and carry? Like instead of writing NC on top of non-carry and C on carry, could we do the problem